Today, we're gonna be playing Fortnite. First ever video, that's why I'm a default. Yeah. I'm a default. Default! I hate defaults. Today we're gonna be doing the no shotgun challenge. Let me just look at these. Oh, what? Oh, cool. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna look at the item shop. Alright, I'm fine. I don't need anything. Well, no shotgun challenge, as I said, but it's not gonna be in zero build. It's gonna be in regular. But we're gonna be doing duo, cause I'm scared. He can have a shotgun. I can't. But I don't have a friend to play this with, so is my friend online? Nuh-uh. Alright, that sucks. Next video is probably gonna be, zero build, no shotgun, and then after that, I don't know, like Bed Wars, like stuff. I have no idea. Well, Fortnite Bed Wars, like Columbo Bed Wars. I am not the greatest. Nick 30 is better than me, but I'm still good. I'm still pretty good. I think I have 10 wins. I should probably search out the stats. What's my name? Effectively 6561. I'm gonna search up my stats at the end of the video. Not now, for sure. I love Tilted. Let's go to Tilted. No, he says I just got new color settings. So, I like them because I love them. The red is a little off, but still cool. Like the purple is sick. He says there's danger right there. Oh yeah, there is. Oh my god. There's people. Someone come into the roof, hoping I'll scare him. He's a rainbow skin. I love it. I may or may not be getting the battle pass, so don't. Oh, that's a shotgun. I can't take it. Oh my god, the one gun that I couldn't take. Oh my god, the one gun. Oh my god, that's literally I think the only gun other than the guns he took. Oh my god. Oh, I can work with that. There's an ammo box, I swear to god, it's for shotgun ammo. And it's for shotgun ammo. I think actually the ammo I need. Is that Chuck Chuck? No, that's not Chuck Chuck. Okay, I thought it said Chuck Chuck. But you always keep you oh, I can't give up doing so much stuff. At least I'll get levels. When you were no, this is not. This is the new OG Fortnite kind of thing. Like, you know, the update that just came out. Yeah, this is an OG Fortnite, but sort of like it. Let me just. Okay, I'm gonna take the shield. Oh, give me that bush. Oh, cool, bunker. Bunker. I can't take it. Oh my god, why is there so many shotguns? I would be blessed, like, if this was an actual match. I usually can never find shotguns. But the one time I can't have a shotgun, I find only shotguns. I never find shotguns like in general. Oh my god, who boogied us? I swear to god if it was you. You suck. I always keep my bushes for the end of the match. Oh, actually I can take that. Oh, cool minis. I'm gonna take this. One. I'm gonna take that. Oh crap. I'm gonna open this chest and. Oh my god! Bro. Bro, you steal all the good stuff. Could anyone else have been my teammate? Because this guy steals all the good stuff. Oh my god, it's a shotgun! And it's a pump, bro. Oh. It's a freaking pump. God damn. Oh gosh darn. Alright, just give me that thing. Oh yay. I am very not immature. I love this thing. Not mature. I love this shopping cart. I love shopping carts. And I have definitely never built a giant tower and then use it with the shopping cart. No, I've never done that. Can you tell I was joking? I'm gonna add one there. Maybe make it a bit wider. Someone shooting it out. That was him? I'm gonna go back up there. He did it again. I hate him. Could anyone else be my teammate? Why did it have to be this guy? I swear to God, if you don't give me a med kit. Rude guy. Like what? He's rude. I'm gonna listen to this. Because he's so good.
Jones, Sloan here. You know when and where you are. And that means you know what you have to do. And what will happen on this side when you're done. Tomorrow, you take the time machine back. And tonight, I'm recording this. It occurs to me that I've never sent a message through time, so you might want to check back. Everything you do will ripple forward to this very moment. This might not even be the first time I've recorded this message. Do the job, Jones. It has to be done.
Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys heard that. I wanted to be quiet because I want to listen like badly. He still hasn't given me match yet. I need to start Wando crap. He's a meanie, bro. Can someone like ban this man? Like, why? He's so mean. He broke down his own team at Skybase. I hate him. Give you up, never let you down. Never gonna turn around, baby. I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around, baby, and hurt you. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around, baby. Cause I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around. Is the Burger Man's made out of metal? Oh crap, oh no. Burger Man's dead. I love that skin. Oh my god, I swear to god. I swear to god, if someone shoots me, I might flip. I might flip them off. That's something I would love to, but I won't. Cause I'm family friendly. Hell, I am family friendly like Nick Brady. I need help. No, he doesn't deserve to be healed. He's hurt me way too many times. No. Just no. I don't need freaking brick. I need a freaking med kit. Oh, thank you. You can mark that. Okay, that's nice of you. I thought that was freaking med mist, but then I realized that med mist is not even in the game. Someone got in trouble. I'm gonna have to get closer. Can you like crouch? Oh, okay. I'm not saving him. Or fine, I will. Just I don't wanna die, bro. They're still over there, okay. This is my time to shine. When I get a medkit, pop it. And then go collect the card. I still don't have a shotgun, which I'm glad I didn't forget. Picked up the shotgun ammo for absolutely no reason. Oh crap, there's someone there. Oh my god. He left. I'm gonna have to win the solos now. I really hope there's a mission here. Oh, I forgot we have to. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. I swear I need a med kit. Ah! Hit me once, bro. PS hit me once. Dang it. One more, then I'm gonna stop the video. I swear, I have okay. I feel like I'm just gonna end the video. Oh, I gotta end the video, I'm so sorry. But I can't do it anymore. Alright. See ya. See you in the next one, I guess. Bye.